Okay, Sasha, what are we having for dinner?
Seaweed salad.
Okay. Are you going to make a seaweed sandwich?
You do that on your plate for me. I do it on your plate. I don't want it on the table.
Okay, how about eating some of those, just the plain seaweed?
And a little bit of meat.
Sasha? Sasha,
Sasha.
how about eating some of the plain seaweed? Show Nancy how this is done. Oh my God.
Slow down, please. Yeah, it's more.
More seaweed? Oh my
Don't
gosh.
eat like that. It's disgusting.
Now how about the crunchy seaweed?
Where's
How do
the
you,
fork?
or how do you eat your crunchy seaweed?
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, with a crunchy seaweed chaser.
Oh yeah. I eat this.
What this says?
That's to keep it fresh. That's
Okay, eat your seaweed.
all done.
Eat the crunchy seaweed. Any other time she's shoving it in faster than now I can't get her to do
Over
it.
your plate. Good girl.
What's in your sandwich?